welcome to Guides on Ensuring a Stable Economy. In this video, we will go over what we call an amortization table. An amortization table is used when you want to get an easy overview of how a loan is paid off. To make an amortization table, you will need Microsoft Excel. So first of all, I'm gonna explain a little bit of terminology in the art of making an amortization table. The first thing we're gonna go over is what we call a period, and this just determines which period you are in. The next thing is primary remaining debt. This is the remaining debt at the beginning of the current period. The first primary remaining debt is what we call the principal. Then there's the output, and the output is the amount of money you pay each period and is found with the formula output equals part payment plus interest. At some point, the ultimate remaining debt will become negative, and at that point you will have to use the formula output equals primary remaining debt plus interest. Interest is what you pay in interest. If the interest is a decimal figure, then we call it the rate of interest and is represented with R. And we can find that with the formula interest equals primary remaining debt in parentheses times R. Then there's part payment. Part payment is the amount of money the debt is reduced with and can be found with the formula part payment equals output minus interest. The last thing we're going to look at is the ultimate remaining debt, which is the remaining debt at the end of the current period, after the output is paid. This can be found by using the formula ultimate remaining debt equals primary remaining debt minus part payment. So now that we have went over the terminology, we can head on over to Excel and see how it is made in practice.
We are in Excel, and I will show you how you do this in here. Good. Here you have the principal, and it's 25,000. The rate of interest here, and it's 0.05, and the period here. And there are 10 periods, as you see out here. Good. You want to see the rate of your part payment, and if you want to see it, it's the debit here multiplied with the rate of interest, and then you got this number. If you want to see the debit, you have to take the rate of interest and plus with the debit here, and minus with the output, and the output is down here. And then you do it with all the numbers, and I had to write it down here so you can see what you have to do. And then you have to get 0 down here. Then you have paid all of your debit off.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you can use this guide in your spare time to watch more guides on stabilizing your own economy. Check out the other videos on our channel. Thank you.